What's going on, stackers? So in this video we're going to be taking a little look at the stats of one of my recent best-selling books, and I'm going to show you how it's all started to slowly drop off. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you're serious about low and no content book publishing, then check out that link in the description below to go to the LCB Vault. Within this membership I add brand new trainings every single week on everything I'm doing to increase my royalties. You can also get there by going to the lcbvault.com. So, I'm going to show you the stats right now for one of my best-selling kids books. This is actually a Halloween low content book, and because of Halloween is just round the corner, literally I think it's 2 days away now, you can see that it started to slowly drop off. Now if we go here, so this is Amazon Author Central. This is the only account that I have. I only have one for this pen name. All my other pen names do not have one, and I don't think it's vital that you have one as well. I decided to get one just so I could see some different types of data. Anyway, so this is my best-selling kids Halloween book. It came on the market just here at 110,000, jumped all the way up to 12, and then up to around 4, 3, and even as low as 2. If we go just here, 2,800. This was bringing me in consistent sales. I think most days I was selling anywhere from 10 to 40, I want to say. Might be a little bit lower than 40, but either way, I was selling some really good books. And then it got to around the 19th, so round about here, and then it slowly started to drop off. Now bear in mind 9,000 BSR is still a really good BSR, so 6,000, but I expect this within the next few days to drop even lower. Now if we go to 1 month, we can see the graph zoomed in a little bit more, so you can see how much it bounced around. So 4,900, 4,500, and as you can see, this had a really, really good ranking. I think this is my best performing book so far. So back in February, I had a Valentine's Day notebook really take off, and the highest that went was around 2,500 BSR, where this one isn't quite there, but it stayed at these BSRs for a lot longer. Anyway, so you can see from here, October the 19th jumped all the way down to 9,000, and now it's just bouncing up and down. Now, after Halloween, I do expect the sales to completely drop off and probably go down to around 80 to 100,000 BSR, just because this is a real seasonal book, niche specific seasonal book, which is only going to sell that one time a year round about Halloween. Now if we go over to my Get Book Report, let that load up for a second, you can see my earnings for the month. So let me just scroll down a little bit just to here. So this month has been a pretty good month. I've almost done $2,500, and I beat last month, which was 1,700. Last month, as you can see, was my lowest month in a while. If we go all the way back to May, that's when I had an even lower month. So I'm really happy with this month, October. Let's just go to this month just here. So we can see my sales a bit more broken down. So $2,464. I do expect to break 2,500 by the end, which is only 2 more days. But as you can see, so in October I had some really good days. I had an $81 day there, and then 93. 116, so over that $100 day mark for a couple of days. So 119 there as well, 114, 99, 108, but you can see really good month, really happy with the sales. Now if we scroll down just a little bit more, we can see that I've sold 1,478 units so far this month, which is incredible. Now I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.